Hi, my name is Philip Matthew Cinco, and for today's video, I will discuss the order and degree of differential equation. Definition of order. The order of differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative appearing in the equation. The definition of degree is the degree of the differential equation is defined as the power to which the highest order derivative is raised. This example of order and degree. Correction lang, may yung denominator dyan is dx cube. dx cube yan. Quantity d cube y over dx cube squared plus y equals to 0. The order of this equation is 3 and the degree is 2. Paano naging order niya is 3 and the degree is 2? Kasi sa derivative itself niya 3 siya, and dun sa buong equation yung exponent niya is 2, kaya naging degree yung 2. Okay, yun lang.